Well, I know we're all looking forward to the holiday travel season, but right now we have to get through the rest of summer. The start of fall, though, is a little over 2 weeks away, about 17 days. That's going to happen on September 23rd. So we are close, y'all, but we have to get through the rest of our summer temperatures first. Today, we have a heat advisory in place until 8 p.m. tonight. We had that in place yesterday, all the way through this morning, and then it recently got extended. So what we're looking at with this is our heat index values up to 109 today for all of the highlighted counties. So be sure you're drinking plenty of water and taking frequent breaks from the shade because it's going to be warm. In fact, a large part of the Lone Star State is feeling the heat today. All of the highlighted counties have a heat advisory in place. And just check out our temperatures. Everywhere that's in that purple area is where we have those advisories as well. All right, Dallas going up to 102, Waco 103, San Angelo topping out at 103 today. Tyler, we are reaching to 103 as the high, which means we are on record watch. When we top out at 103 today, we would break our record of 102 by just 1 degree. We set that back in the 40s, but just check out how hot we're running compared to our average. That's usually 91 this time of year, so that is well over 10 degrees above average. And with that high temperature, it means we're adding another day to our triple-digit tracker. We'll add our 41st day here in Tyler, which is very much above our average of 11 days, which we usually see at or above 100 degrees. Longview has a 31 days so far, and then Lufkin 43. Lufkin, you guys are pretty close to our hot summer of 2011 when we had 63 days, but pretty much all of us are well above that average amount. This is a trend that we've seen over the past 50 years. Since the 1970s, the number of days at or above 100 degrees has just been ramping up. We used to only see about, well, our average was 0 back in the 70s of days at or above 100, but then we've just been ramping up. You can see that spike in 2011, and then we are going to just be spiking once we get all of our data in from this year. We'll probably add another day to that average. All right, with all of this heat, be sure that you're taking care of yourself. Hydrate as much as possible. Take frequent breaks in the shade. Wear light-colored clothing. That way you don't get heat exhaustion or heat stroke, because dark colors tend to hold on to that heat a lot more. And then always check on your pets and children, because they are much more susceptible to heat-related illnesses, and never ever leave them unattended in a vehicle, because that could prove fatal. Also, watch out for a high humidity today. Our dew points right now are all in the mid to upper 70s, which puts us right in that unpleasant category. So it is going to be hot and humid today, very sticky. Also, look out for our heat index values. With all the humidity, our feels like temperatures are really pumping up. Tyler, we're going to feel up to 113 today around the peak heat of the day. Tonight, we're going to get a little bit of relief, dropping down to the 80s for most of us for that feels like temperature. But then tomorrow, we are kicking it back up to 109 in Tyler, 106 in Jacksonville, Linden up to 109, Jefferson feeling 110 degrees. So it is a scorcher. And we have even hotter temperatures on the way. So 103, slight chance of those showers this afternoon, 104 tomorrow, 104 on Friday, and then we have a slight cool down. 90s through the weekend, and then look ahead to Tuesday, we are back into those 80s.